Welcome to this walkthrough on AI submission notes in Velocity. This feature uses AI to automatically generate lender-ready submission notes based on the details in your file. It helps reduce manual writing and standardize your submissions while still allowing you to review and customize the final output. Within your mortgage file, navigate to the Mortgage Requests section. Scroll down to the Submission Notes section. Here you will see a blue Generate with AI Assist button, as well as a voice dictation button just below it. The Generate with AI Assist button will only appear if you have connected an API key. If both ChatGPT and Gemini are connected, you will be able to choose between them. If only one is connected, only that option will appear. If you need help connecting an API key, please refer to the separate training video on API setup. Now let's take a closer look at what's actually happening behind the scenes when we click Generate with AI Assist. What powers this feature is something called an AI Assist prompt. In simple terms, the AI Assist prompt is a set of instructions that tells the AI exactly how to write your submission notes. Now that you understand how the AI Assist prompt works, let's look at how you can actually interact with it inside the Submission Notes section. Before we move on, there's one important thing to know about how this tool works. The AI Submission Notes feature is a one-click generation tool, meaning the first thing you need to do is click Generate with AI Assist. Velocity will then use all the information already loaded in your deal to automatically build your submission notes for you. Once those notes have been generated, that's when you can jump in and make any changes, editing, adding detail, or tailoring the wording to suit your specific lender or scenario. When you're ready to edit, you have a couple of flexible options here depending on how you prefer to work. First, if you want to quickly capture your own thoughts, you can simply click on the microphone icon and start speaking. As you dictate, your voice will automatically be converted into text directly in the notes field. This is a fast and easy way to build out your submission notes or make quick edits without needing to type everything out. Now, if you'd like more control over what the AI generates, you can also type out your own instruction or prompt directly into the notes area. This means you can guide the AI on exactly how you want the summary to be written. For example, you might type something like, "Summarize this deal with a focus on strong income and clean credit." Once you've entered your prompt, you can then click the Generate button. The AI will take your instruction, combine it with the data already in the file, and produce a structured summary based on both. This gives you a lot more control over the final output, especially if you want to highlight specific strengths in the deal or adjust the tone slightly. The AI will structure notes using neutral placeholders such as Borrower 1, Borrower 2. No personal identifiers like names, phone numbers, or sensitive details are inserted automatically. This ensures a consistent and compliant format for submissions. The AI follows a clear, standard structure so lenders can quickly understand the deal. In simple terms, the notes are built like this: deal summary, property details, mortgage product, borrower income, down payment, assets, credit and debts, other properties, and closing details. Only information already in the file is used. Nothing is guessed or added. The structure may adjust slightly depending on the deal type. Once the notes are generated, carefully read through the entire submission. Confirm that the information is accurate and complete. Make any necessary edits. This is important. AI-generated content is a starting point. Brokers are responsible for reviewing and confirming that everything is correct before sending to the lender. Now that you understand how to dictate and guide the AI, let's take this one step further and look at how you can use simple prompt labels to rewrite specific parts of your submission notes. When the AI generates your notes, it follows a structured format with clear sections like deal summary, property details, borrower income, and credit. You can actually target any one of these sections and ask the AI to rewrite just that part, instead of regenerating the entire note. Rewrite the deal summary to focus on strong credit and stable income. Click Generate. What the AI will do is take your instruction and adjust the tone and focus of that section while still using the existing deal data. Here's another example. If you wanted to improve how the income is explained, you could type, rewrite the borrower income section to clearly explain employment stability and keep the wording simple for the lender. Again, once you click Generate, the AI will refine that portion of the notes based on your guidance. This approach allows you to fine-tune your submission without starting from scratch. You're essentially working with the AI to shape the final output, section by section. So rather than thinking of the AI as a one-time generator, think of it as something you can interact with. You can guide it, adjust it, and refine different parts of your submission until it reads exactly the way you want. AI submission notes help you save time and create clean, professional lender summaries. This keeps you fast, accurate, and fully in control of your submission.